Really? Yeah. So everybody got a full belly now. Yeah. Aww. We're gonna hold hands. No. Just gonna hang out. What is it, Ben? What? Oh, yeah? Eins. Yeah. You little stuffy. You little stuffy. Yeah. Should we send this to Dad and say hello? Say hello, Dad. Yep, that's what we'll tell him. Hello. Alright. We love you, Daddy.